How to buy Paysafecard by PayPal. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you some method to buy Paysafecard with your PayPal account. First you have to sign into your Paysafecard account, then you just need to top up your account. But here you can see the payment methods. You can only purchase Paysafecard by the Trustly and your debit card only here. But you can see there is no PayPal option to purchase your Paysafecard. For this, you just can go to the help center of Paysafecard. From here, you can go also from here the developer.paysafe.com/in/support, and you can get the number of according to the region. This is the USA number. If you're from US, you can use this number and this email. For international, use this number. If you're from Europe, you can use this number and this email. For Canada, there is a number, and our email is also available. And for global integration support, you can use this email. So if you want to buy your Paysafecard from your PayPal account, or buy the amounts that you have stored in your PayPal account, then you can contact their customer support team, and you can ask them that if you can purchase Paysafecard by your PayPal account, or you want to buy Paysafecard through your PayPal account, then they may help you out in this situation. Now there's another way to buy Paysafecard through PayPal account. You just need to go to recharge.com. It is a third-party seller website, and from here you can purchase Paysafecard. And you also can see it has first rating given by 84,000 plus people on Trustpilot with a good review. So we can consider this website as a trustworthy website, and also you can judge it through another social media platform first before you purchase or anything from this website. Now let's see how you can get Paysafe or buy Paysafecard with your PayPal account. Here you just need to scroll a little down and you will find a button buy Paysafecard online. When you click on it, you will find this type of page according to your location. For me, it is showing this location, and my currency is right now in euro. So let's top up my account from here. Just select the amount that you want to top up to your account and click on buy now. And remember, recharge.com is certified reseller of Paysafecard. Now in this page you will find on the left side you can enter the email address to continue the purchase process, and at the right side you will find the calculation of the total payment that you need to pay with your PayPal account. Not now, you just need to enter the email. There will be additional charge added for PayPal. Here you can see my email has submitted, and now I need to choose the payment method. And here is the first one is PayPal and second one is American Express. Now I'm going to select PayPal, and you can see, as I said before, that additional charge has been added in this transaction. This is the payment method fee, 1.36 euro, and here you just need to enter your first name, last name, street, housing number, city, postal code, and the country that you are located. And remember, you must need to locate it in that country that allow to payment with PayPal, and you are allowed to use recharge.com. Now you just need to enter the birth date and click on save your information for next purchase here. So remember that you must be at least 16 years old, and then click on continue, and then you will redirect it to your PayPal account, and from there you just need to enter your credentials like your PayPal a registered email address or phone number. Then you just need to enter the password that you have secured with your account, and then you just need to pay this amount from your PayPal account, and you need to click on confirm, and then you will get a transaction a completion then you can see a completion message, and you will get a transaction slip from PayPal, and you also get a email from recharge.com. That's how you can purchase or buy Paysafecard with your PayPal account. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.